Okay, so Davido did something very responsible, and I stick to it. Davido is one of the privileged Nigerians who are dual citizens. He talks about his Atlanta background a lot. Did he do a service to the Nigerian who doesn't have that privilege? No, because that Nigerian needs an investor who would set up and create an enabling labor market that will give him life, that will empower him, that will employ him. What Davido has simply done is that when Asiwaju is taking a plane to country to look for the foreign investors that will come here, he has told them, don't come.
Hello guys, hi people, welcome back again to our Facebook page, our YouTube channel guys. If today na your first time we take come across Money Flourish TV show, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. As you do so, God Almighty will bless you. My people, wonder they say shall not end. Still on this matter of Davido and when it talk concerning Nigeria, but today, how many of una remember this woman when I post yesterday when you just talk about, oh, why the Davido go talk like that? Davido for not let the country down like that. You just simply they say if they want do this business with our country so that they will not come, blah 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 blah. She talk a whole lot, guy. So Nigeria, many of us contract this woman. Many of us agree with wetin Davido do, and some people no still agree for wetin Davido do. Alright, so as we call the dragon, this woman got to come outside again because to say, oh, he no dey sorry for wetin he said before, because as he said it, na so the thing be. And he come still go ahead to let us know say for this very video wey I go like play for una, make una first watch her and lis ten to her. Then we dey come back. She's talk a whole lot for this very video. My God. You see this country? We are not ready. Yes, if you continue like this, we are not moving forward. We are not going anywhere. So just listen to the video, then we dey come back.
Okay, so Davido did something very responsible, and I stick to it. Davido is one of the privileged Nigerians who are dual citizens. He talks about his Atlanta background a lot. Did he do a service to the Nigerian who doesn't have that privilege? No, because that Nigerian needs an investor who would set up and create an enabling labor market that will give him life, that will empower him, that will employ him. What Davido has simply done is that when Asiwaju is taking a plane to country to look for the foreign investors that will come here, he has told them, don't come. Has he done a service to the average Nigerian inside Ede that does not know the royal family of Ede? Has he done a service to the Nigerians in Omwaron, who is in the bush trying to get wood? Has he done anybody a privilege in the rice farms in Bida? No, he hasn't. He has spoken whose truth? Of the elite. The people who spend the dollars, 1 minute, Sope. Not the people who buy beans per pinto. We know that the country is hard. We know that these reforms were forced on us because if we had continued to feed the elites, we would be worse off.
Yeah.
They had to take out subsidy, stop the payment. Allocation has increased to state governors, but we are not asking the governors.
No.
We have removed the supplement that we give to dollars so that we can buy it cheaply. We are now forced to buy it how we see it. And this is the real value. We are suffering under that weight. And what you can say is it's bad here. As if it's not bad. Did you hear the campaigns? During the elections, during the completed election, did you hear the campaigns?
That's
of what the reality of America is. And Oprah would say it at elections, but she won't sit on a show or sit at a table and tell everybody, and tell a foreign interviewer what Davido did. And that's where it's wrong. Because you sat there, but now your reference point for whether they should go ahead and invest in the country. See, the point is, no matter how true your truth is, all your truth, if it's not going to be of service to your people, it's in the corridors where he could make that noise privately, but no, he chose to tell that person on it that America care, come where care. Whereas what we need is foreign investors. That's what our government has said we needed. Except Davido can show me 2-3 companies where he's producing beans, rice, the local food for the local man, so that he can be talking. Yes, we will know what you're talking, but you're still talking amongst yourselves. We sit there and we allow our places of influence be where we advocate that is bad, it can never be good, it's worse. We condemn our own. So Davido is a person of influence and should be more guarded in his utterances, especially about the country that has given him that fame. Imagine that Davido started his music at career in the US, he will be competing with the Americans. But now, because it started from here, when it became the time for Africa to be on the scene, they are collaborating with him. You don't throw where you are from in the pits. This is your source, and I'm just very disappointed.
So now that watch the video, Abi. This woman, they say if it's so ashamed of Davido. Can you imagine? Imagine this woman. Oh, see, the one may all of us they say all is well. We all know, even the small people where you born today know say all is not well in that country. Which mouth now one may we take talk am again? All of us know say all is not well oh. Before una come dey make all of us come dey believe say everything dey okay, everything dey right, wey people dey suffer dey go, people dey die of hunger every day. You are here to say Davido suppose not dey Davido dey he suppose protect the country, he suppose do this one, suppose do that one. See, since we don dey protect am, nothing wey we don gain, nothing. If na like this we go take get that thing wey we want, we go get am. Yes, because now don too much. I know this one na 100% Tinubu family. Yes, na 100% e be. Nothing wey anybody can tell me, because it can only be like that. That's why they go don dey defend dem, dey defend Tinubu for wetin dey go on for Nigeria today. Imagine 2016, 2014, 2015. Nigeria has never spoil like this, country is never spoil like this. But today, wetin we dey see today, a whole lot don go wrong, a lot don go down. People no dey fit buy food, to buy water na problem, to buy common garri wey e be say even rich men dem no dey chop am at that time. Garri na poor man food before, but now e don turn to rich man food just because they cannot afford it. Even poor man now can't even afford garri. To tell you how the thing bad reach, you are here come and be blaming Davido. Wetin Davido don cost? Wetin he don cost? He never cost anything. He always say it the way e be, so that people when e dey come, you know how many people dey even wish say I wish na dem dey even ask this question, they go even do more than Davido. Wetin you go do? They go do more than, because all of us we are tired. The country is a mess. It's messed up already, so we need to say it. Not every time we just want, oh, because it's still my country. And so what? Can we even talk about the security when e dey for the country? Insecurity everywhere. See, nobody go dey waka now go waka freely. They no born you well. May you comot for your house dey okay anytime, any day. You are talking about may we even talk about the light, electricity, nothing dey work. So you are here blaming Davido. Wetin Davido don cost for you to dey blame una papa when e dey there, when e no know wetin e need to do? You are there, all of una no dey comot for that Nigeria, una no dey go western world, una no know why e dey function, una no know why e dey work, una no know the way they take arrange that country. No, na go carry Nigerians money come dey spend for another man's land. You are here say Davido suppose not do this, suppose not do. Make una go look for una problem o, abeg. What is this?